The king moves exactly one square in any direction. A special move with a king known as castling that involves also moving a rook. A rook moves any number of vacant squares along a rank or file, but cannot leap over other pieces, along with a king. A rook is involved during the king castling move. A bishop moves any number of vacant squares diagonally, but cannot leap over other pieces. The queen combines the power of a rook and bishop and can move any number of squares along a rank, file, or diagonal, but cannot leap over other pieces. A knight moves the nearest square not on the same rank, file, or diagonal. This can be thought of as moving two squares horizontally, then one square vertically, or moving one square horizontally, then two squares vertically. In an L pattern, the knight is not blocked by other pieces, it jumps to the new locations. Pawns have the most complex rules of movement. A pawn moves straight forward one square if the square is vacant. If it has not yet moved, a pawn also has the option of moving two squares straight forward, provided both squares are vacant. Pawns cannot move backwards.